I was getting ready to hang and test this black Delta 2 here that I picked up for fan collector Mark Castro. And this is exactly how it came with the spotlight kit. I haven't even dusted it off. You can see 3 of the 4 bulbs are still good. One of them is bad. And I spun it by hand and noticed that it's really stiff. So just to see, I powered it up. That's low. That's medium. You can hear the bearing noise. And that's high. So you can, and look, it stops right away. So that's indicative of bad bearings. Now, there are a few different things you can do about bad bearings. The best thing to do is to replace them, and it will run like a brand new fan. You can take it apart and oil it, in which case it will run like a brand new fan, but you might get a little bit of what I call wet bearing noise. Or you can try a quick fix and attempt to free up the bearings without even taking it apart. So we're going to try the quick fix first. I'm going to go and get some WD-40, which is my first thing that I use.